Can a life estate agreement be reversed? Have you ever wondered if a life estate agreement can be reversed? This is an important question for many seniors and their families, especially when considering housing options. A life estate agreement is a legal arrangement where one person, known as the life tenant, has the right to live in a property for their lifetime. The other person, called the remainderman, will inherit the property after the life tenant passes away. This type of agreement is often used in elder law and estate planning to help seniors transfer property while still having a place to live. Now, whether a life estate agreement can be reversed depends on several factors. First, it is essential to consider the type of life estate created. The most common form is a traditional life estate deed, which splits ownership between the life tenant and the remainderman. In this arrangement, the life tenant can use the property but cannot sell or mortgage it without the remainderman's consent, unless the agreement states otherwise. If you are looking to reverse a life estate, the process can vary. If both the life tenant and the remainderman agree, they can sign a new deed that cancels the life estate. This document is often called a deed of revocation or a new deed of conveyance. This is the simplest way to reverse the agreement. However, if there is a disagreement, reversing a life estate may require legal action. Courts usually uphold the original deed unless there is proof of fraud, undue influence, or incapacity when the life estate was created. It is important to know that some states, like Florida, offer enhanced life estate deeds, also known as ladybird deeds. These allow the life tenant to retain more control and sometimes change or revoke the arrangement without needing the remainderman's consent. For seniors living in independent living communities, understanding life estate agreements is essential. These agreements can help protect their right to live in their homes while planning for future property transfers. But if circumstances change, such as needing to sell the property or shifts in family dynamics, knowing that reversing a life estate is possible can be very helpful. In summary, a life estate agreement can be reversed, but the process depends on the type of life estate, the consent of all parties, and state law. If everyone agrees, a new deed can cancel the life estate. If not, legal action may be necessary. Enhanced life estate deeds may offer more flexibility for the life tenant. Understanding these details helps seniors and their families make informed decisions about property ownership and estate planning.